To get your eToro API key, first, you need to create an eToro account if you do not already have one. Visit the eToro website and sign up by filling in your details. Once you have completed the registration process, you will receive a confirmation email to verify your account. Make sure to follow the instructions in that email to activate your account. After activating your account, log into the eToro platform using your credentials. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Settings or Account section. Look for the API or Developer option in the Settings menu. This section is where you will be able to generate your API key. Once you locate the API section, you will usually find an option to create a new API key. Click on that option, and you may need to provide some additional information to proceed. Follow the prompts to generate your API key. Make sure to note down this key, as you will need it for accessing eToro's API features. Remember to keep your API key secure and do not share it with anyone who should not have access to your account. With your API key in hand, you are now ready to integrate eToro's features into your applications or to automate your trading strategies using the API.